Hello and welcome to Willand PE, week 6, lesson 1. I'm here with Jack.
Hi.
And today our movement is going to involve symmetrical movement and asymmetrical movement. Let's make a symmetrical shape, Jack. So symmetrical means that if you put a mirror halfway down, it should look the same either side. Let's make an asymmetrical shape. Okay, so here I've got my right leg forward and my left hand. Jack's got his left leg forward and he's doing this with his hands. Okay, so all of these are asymmetrical shapes. So they're static. So let's try moving now. So try this. So we're just going to walk. Just walk, warm up with walking. And then we'll stop mid-step. And is that symmetrical or asymmetrical?
Asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical. Okay, how about skipping? Let's skip. And stop mid-skip. Symmetrical or asymmetrical?
Asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical. How about running? It's
Asymmetrical.
asymmetrical. So you see, lots of our normal movements are asymmetrical, and what we do is we balance as we go. Can you think of a movement that is symmetrical? So we've got to look the same.
Oh yeah.
That is a symmetrical movement. Good one, Jack. So that's like little bunny hop. Surface is unforgiving here, so try that going forward. And as you see, if you can see from behind, if we cut Jack in half or put a mirror down, it should look the same either side. That's a good one, Jack. Well done. Okay, so just brush your hands off. Okay, so try and think of another symmetrical movement at home. You got another one?
Yeah.
How about jumping? Jumping forward, 2-foot jump. Yep. So jumping like this is symmetrical. Okay, so a 2-foot jump. So try now. You can make the legs, lower body symmetrical and the arms asymmetrical. So just jumping again. Yeah. And then each time you jump, you could do something different with your hands. So, for example, Jack, just watch. So if I start here, that's a symmetrical lower body and asymmetrical arms. Ah, your legs are asymmetrical now. That's it. And what we're doing here is we're just getting your body to understand what the different movements are, and it gives you some ideas about creating little patterns and sequences of movements, which is what we're going to do now. Okay, so Jack, if you just go to that far cone there. Alright, so you can do any symmetrical movement to that cone. Go. So Jack's picked the hardest symmetrical movement on a concrete floor you can do, which is a 2-footed crab going forward, which is sore in his hands and it's difficult to move as well. Right, and then do any asymmetrical movement there. Okay, so Jack's just holding out asymmetrical shape. Remember, the walking is asymmetrical. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Yep. How about, watch out on your hands, how about